Hey there friends, it is me, HLModTech, and today we're going to do something crazy. We are going to use Google Earth to see what kind of detective you can be. We're going to hone your observation skills and have a little fun at the same time. So my friends, let's get cracking. The first step is to find Google Earth on your desktop. Mine is over here, yours will probably be somewhere else. Wait patiently for Google Earth to load. If it's got this screen, you can just hit close and maximize it, and then make sure you set up these settings just like me. On the left side, find the little arrow beside the word gallery. Don't click the box, click the arrow. If you click the box, it selects everything, which is way too much. We only need two things selected, gigapan and gigapixl. When you've got those selected, click up in the search box, and up in the search box, I simply want you to type a zip code 64108. Press enter or click search, and it'll zoom in on Kansas City, Missouri. And then as you watch closely, there will be a gigapan or a gigapixel picture. Now you might have seen it over here to the right. I'm going to click once and then scroll back to zoom out. It is right over here. And if I put my mouse close to that spot and then roll it back in, it zooms into that area. And then the important skill we're going to learn is to click on that picture. It pops up the window, and then what's amazing is you can fly in to the ultra high resolution photo. So check this out as we become detectives of Kansas City, Missouri. So my friends, when you roll in, you can check out all the amazing details in this picture, including crazy things like finding this dude that is eating a sandwich down here. Now what my job for you is to study the details of the picture and find four things for me. First, find out what Kansas City Union Station is. Don't Google it, look in the pictures and figure it out. The second thing is to find the exact time. There are ways you can track down the time by just studying the details in the picture. The third thing I want you to find is the street that this building is on. Once again, you just study the details to find it. The fourth thing I want you to find is what month of year it is. Study the things like the trees and all the other parts of the project to actually find the exact month or a super close guesstimate of the month, and then come tell me what your answers are. There are so many things else that you can explore. You can do things like count how many clocks there are. You can see how many birds you can count. You can see if there are any windows where you can find a person staring out at you if they happen to get caught by the Google cameras. But see what amazing details you can find in this picture, and then come share with me when you've found the answers to those four questions that I popped on the screen. Make sure you keep this kind of quiet so that your neighbors have a chance to find them on their own as well. You will be amazed at the crazy details that are available to you if you just take the time to observe. Gigapan pixels are pretty amazing. This is the best one that I have found for finding the details like I show you in the video, where you can actually track down a clock. But here you can see I typed Earth, and it zooms back out, and I can actually get a better look at the planet from a little further away. Find other gigapan or gigapixel pictures and see if you can find another one that has the amazing pictures as well. I'm going to fly into this one and just check out the inside of the building. If you find something amazing that is worth sharing, let us know at HLModTech.com using the contact form on our new website. I'm going to zoom into this one real quick and just check it out. Who is on the wall, and can I get close enough to read the names? Oh my gosh, yes I can. And even better yet, I actually recognize them. Not because I was there when they were there, because that'd make me really, really old. So my friends, the real dream is for you to find another place that actually has the clock like I showed you in the previous lesson, that lets us tell the exact time, and then we can find the other details that are cool in each amazing picture. But what I want you to do is just explore cool things, pick places that you're interested in, and see what kind of gigapan or gigapixel pictures you can find as we explore this cool technique to use Google Earth. Friends, if you found this fun or useful, please hit that like button. If you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. Don't forget you can also add comments at HLModTech.com. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.